We are going to look into one of the most profitable and lucrative business in town, and it's an agricultural based business. What business are we actually talking about? We are talking about pig farming. So let's take a look at this. Delivered 11 pigs, rather 11, and last 2 are dead. So you can see they're doing so fine. They're so cute. And here we have another one. This one is also pregnant. It may deliver, say, by next month. And yet, the big mama, the fatty, wow. This is the fattest pig here. It's pregnant though, and may deliver this month. By month end, we're expecting to have like 15 pigs. Yes, 15 piglets from this fat pig. I'm coming. Let me do this very well. This fat pig. All these pigs are wagon. You can see the belly. It's very fat. Hey, and here we have this one that just delivered yesterday. This just delivered yesterday, and it has 7 piglets. 7 piglets. You can see the piglets are still tender, they're very tender. And here is the male pig. That's their papa. The papa pig. They don't speak out. You can see them. Lovely. Say hi to our viewers. And yet, the last but not the least among the big pigs we have in this farm. It just delivered last month. Abi? Am I right? Last month, yeah. No, last 2 months. The children. The children have been just removed. So very soon it's going to take in and see deliver like 13 or so, because the last delivery was 11. Yeah. So as you can see, it's so profitable to engage in pig farming. So next time we're going to visit the next pig farm where we keep their children, the piglets. So bye, ciao.